Yeah. Hi everyone, Kushbu from Segan Mantras. So guys, this is again a video regarding the group classes that we are coming up with. And it's not that I haven't shared any details about it earlier. In fact, yesterday night, the message which I put up on the group was probably one last message before we form our final groups. But looks like there's a more clarity needed on it, so I thought I'll make a video only. So see, after I started with the group classes based on themes, because let's say the theme is fireless cooking. Okay, child A, who is 5 years old, may have an interest towards the cooking activity, which is not something that we are coming for these classes to learn some recipe, but it is just a theme around which we will be working on the other skills that we have to work on for our kids individually, respectively for each child. ठीक है, एज वाइज डेवलपमेंट वाइज जो गैप्स हैं जो डेफिसिट्स हैं उसको फिल करने के लिए theme is just something around which you can plan that what are you going to do in this class. You can be probably working on the turn taking, you can be probably working on making the child ask questions. So the skill could be anything. It has nothing to do with कि फायरलेस कुकिंग तो हमारे बच्चे का कुकिंग में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, सो मे बी दीज क्लासेस आर नॉट फॉर हिम. ठीक है, दिस इज जस्ट एन एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग यू. So we were doing group classes based on themes. But then after doing a couple of classes, I realized we need a structure in place. We need regularity. We need consistency. Just how it happens in the schools. ठीक है, तो हम स्कूल में अपने बच्चे का एनरोलमेंट कराते हैं एज वाइज, उसके डेवलपमेंट वाइज, उसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के हिसाब से we put him or her in a particular grade. Now, I know kids who are 5 years old and in kindergarten. There are kids who are 7 years old and still in kindergarten. So it doesn't mean that if your child is 7 years old, he is sure to go in grade 2 or grade 3. Grade is a different thing altogether. Okay? So when I say I am taking the UKG syllabus as a base, that's the concept, that's the activities, that's the probably things from the academic curriculum we will be taking up in our classes. Now I have a few questions which I would like to address here. So somebody was asking me, do we have a group for other age groups as well? So yes, surely we will be coming up with more groups. This month I'm doing only one group, and also not very आई वुड से ऐसा नहीं है कि ये बच्चे जो अभी 5 to 7 वाला एज ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं will have, if they decide to continue, will have to continue in this group only. If next month we are coming up with an age group of say 6 to 8 years and a child who is 7 years currently joining this program 5 to 7 years, if I see that the child is good and he's ready to move ahead with a little more complex language, more complex concepts, when we are working on other skills also, I will let the parent know that you put your child in the 6 to 8 age group now. This is not a school कि एक बार admission ले लिया तो हम इसी grade में रहेंगे. There is no promotion system on an annual basis. But yes, from June when I will start with the classes, they might not be just a month's program. Though the option is open, like payment and enrollment you can do on a monthly basis, but the program will be ongoing. ठीक है, now I'll just quickly open the questions that I have, based on which I will detail you about everything. So somebody was asking me about the charges. So yes, it is 6,000 a month. Now, what do you get in these 6,000? I have already done a one-to-one session with 5 parents yesterday, and they are waiting for me to give them the final plan, and then they will be enrolling. Okay, but before I make the plan, I want to know the final number and whether all these 5 kids are ready to be in one group, or if we have, like, say 5 more kids joining, then I can have 2 groups. Okay, now what do you get in this 6,000? There will be one-to-one assessment session with each parent. I have done for these 5 parents. I will be doing it for the other parents also who decide to enroll. But that happens only after you decide to enroll. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप 1-to-1 में बात करके देख लो एंड देन आफ्टर दैट यू विल डिसाइड. So 1-to-1 happens only after you have decided to enroll. उसके पहले आपको जो clarity चाहिए, I'm giving you in this video. I have also done a session earlier to this, prior to this, when interested parents came together, they dropped me email, we formed a group, we were interacting there, and then I came live. I have made the parents interact live with each other, meet the kids. So this is how we form the small group. Yesterday I just loaded a last message कि किसी और को भी join करना है, तो I wasn't aware that most of you have missed the earlier messages and are not even aware that there is something of this kind happening or coming up. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए I thought I'll just do this video again. So there's one session with the parent. Now this gives me an understanding of a child. So let's say there's one child who's 5 years old, there's one child who is 7.5 years old, and there is one child who is 6 years old. Age wise, they are different. Age wise, if you see, this will go to pre-KG, senior KG, sorry, junior KG, senior KG, and then grade 1 or probably grade 2. But when it comes to language, when it comes to play skills, when it comes to social skills, and lot many other skills like that, on which we are working with our kids, responding in an online mode to a teacher, developing friendship with people whom you've never met. So virtually things are a little difficult. So we will be following a curriculum and conducting the classes in a way like we do it in the schools. But school ki tarah loaded nahi hai. The batch size is not like it is in the schools, like 20, 25, 35 kids in a batch. Here, earlier what I was thinking was 6 to 10 ka batch. But then again, it depends on the how many people register and what level the kids are at. If I feel that this group should maximum or be closed at 6, I will probably close it at 6. So 10 is like the maximum limit. Okay, so the batch size is small. So one of the parents had a question that will the child be given an attention? So you decide, you know your child better, and these sessions are open for parents also. So if you feel that your child may not be able to sit through for all the sessions, initial 2 or 3 sessions might be a struggle if your child has never attended any classes in an online mode. For that reason also, we did some group sessions earlier, and most of my kids who are joining this program have done group sessions with me. So I know them, they know me. We have understood the group dynamics and an overall way of working. So I will be probably not doing anything or planning beforehand, like pura planning. It will be driven based on how children want it, how as a group this thing needs to be moved. So it is not like a school preset curriculum that I have thought that I'm going to teach you shapes, I'm going to teach you colors, I'm going to teach you about the traffic signals, I'm going to teach you about let's say seasons. तो बस मैं यही चीजें पढ़ाऊंगी, and irrespective of what the child knows from beforehand or what you have the goals in your mind. So we are making like in that one-to-one session, I'm trying to understand what are the gaps, where exactly is the deficit for a particular child, A, B, C, and D. Now if the topic for my class is, see, world of animals, and this could be a topic, I still don't know, I haven't finalized or planned anything. So if the topic is world of animals, now world of animals is a topic which starts from playgroup onwards, and it goes to it can go to any grade. आप higher grades में आके animals का reproductive system तक पढ़ते हो. So based on that, किस बच्चे को कितना information देना है, किस बच्चे से कितना पूछना है, will all depend upon the other skills, how much the child has already developed, to what level we want to go ahead. So let's say if a child is at on a scale of 0 to 10, if the child is at say 5, our goal, my and the parents' goals together would be here to take him from 5 to 6 at least in this month's time. So this is not a curriculum which we are trying to cover up in a month's time for the entire year. Not at all. It's just giving a structure to the classes on a monthly basis. If it works out for you, at the end of the month, you feel that these classes were like amazing for your child, He benefited, he enjoyed, he made friends. Good to go. We'll continue. If you feel it didn't work out for you, you need some sort of modification, you felt that one-to-one sessions were better, we'll do one-to-one. So these are just different types of classes that I'm giving you options for. Not that you have to enroll for this option A only, this group classes only. Then there was a question. Hmm. You will take the sessions yourself. Yes, as of now, I don't have any team. In fact, if there are any parents willing to work with me as a team, please do drop in me an email. I'll be more than happy to go ahead and make it little at a larger scale if we work on this as a team. Then non-verbal kids of 5 years can register. So if we are working on skills like socialization, language, and the academic concepts, yes, you can definitely. I will, since it's in an online mode, my focus will be on making the child understand and teaching typing, but I will need more support from the parent, like 100% presence. Otherwise, it will be difficult for me to convey what I'm trying to the child alone. So that is one thing. And it would be even better if we can have a separate group for that, where the kids, it's a mixed group of verbal and non-verbal kids, but the kids who are verbal are at, say, one word stage, so that it is not very overwhelming for a child who is still to verbalize. Okay? I wouldn't say who's non-verbal. Our children will verbalize. Hai na? So let's keep the hopes high. And then there was one more question. I can't see it here. Just give me a second. So, like, there's one more question. One parent is asking, my child doesn't write, and will I be seeing myself? What are the mistakes happening during the session? So, yes, that's the reason why I am doing these classes. I will see not the mistakes, but where we need to work upon, where the gap is, where the child needs more explanation, more practice, more practice probably. And of course, that will be with your support. I will need the parents' presence. And will I be able to concentrate on all the kids at the same time? So I will just explain you this. Yeah. So when we are enrolling our kids in the school is conducting the sessions in a large group. Okay? It's like 15, 20, 1 second. Yeah. So schools have a big group, 15, 20. I'm so sorry for all the interruptions in between. But here the group is small. So again, depends which age group we are doing, what exactly is the level of each child coming up in this group. The group will freeze. Maximum, it won't cross 10 at any cost. And we may have some groups closing at 6 also. So that again depends. And my attention on each child. So I'll just quickly tell you what I was discussing with the parents yesterday in the live meeting when we came together to discuss and finalize the batch. Sessions in the spread over the whole month will be happening Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's a 1 hour session, but your child doesn't have to sit through that one full hour. 30 to 40 minutes is with the child. Initial week, the first week, I will try not to take more than 30 minutes with the child. Okay? We will spend more time together to understand how to take it further. So if we are meeting on Monday, 30 minutes with the child, remaining 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes with the parent, in understanding how we plan to go ahead. What was this class about? What are we targeting for this child, this child, this child, and this child? And how should you take it ahead? in the remaining days, like Monday के बाद Tuesday को आप घर पे क्या कर सकते हो अपने बच्चे के साथ based on what we've done in the class today. Then we meet on Wednesday, again the same thing. Friday, same thing. So 3 days we meet, which is very frequent meetings. I see the child, I work with the child. If it is not happening effectively in an online mode, I guide you. This is how you work with the child so that he is better prepared for Wednesday. But taking the child completely off screen and only the parent attending this, I don't mind, but it's not going to help your child eventually to learn in a group setting. I believe that our kids learn the best in a peer setup. I mean, we should make our kids learn the best in a peer setting. One to one classes, they have their own value when we are working on a particular skill set to develop for our kids. But this group sessions has its own value. I have missed it a lot for Vian when there was a time. And most of you who know me from like past 3 4 years already, you would know when I was not finding anything, like before the COVID times, I started my own activity classes at home, charging like, minimal 200 rupees a month for the kids in my society. They were all neurotypical kids. So if Vian was 4 years old, I was entertaining 12 kids coming to my place on different days. कोई 2 साल का, कोई 3 साल का, कोई 4 साल का, कोई 5 साल का. And I was taking Vian through those activities in the entire week. And when the kids come, gel him up with the group and make him do those activities. So group is needed for our kids if we want that, overall development. So that's a little idea about what these classes are for. We are starting from the month of May. I also want to see how it goes for this entire month, how our kids are responding, picking up from these classes. And then based on this, in the month of June, I will again come up with more batches. Before I close this video, one very important thing I want to show you, because most of you still have that confusion. How do we decide whether my child is ready to go for this group, which is currently for 5 to 7 years? So when I say 5 to 7 years, let me show you something. Yeah, so I have this page open here. So this is a WebMed website जहाँ पे मैंने खोला है 4 to 5 years old developmental milestones. Now, if you see, they talk to you in details about language-wise where your child should be, cognitively what are the milestones. So a child speaks clearly using more complex sentences. He can count 10 or more objects. He can correctly name at least 4 colors and 3 shapes. So everything is given here. You can later visit also. So this I have opened for 4 to 5 years. Similarly, here, as you can see, this is for 7 years. आप यहाँ जाके just browse through and see for yourself. I don't know if I have shared the screen. Let me let me just share the screen and show you. Just give me a second. I'm so sorry, the video is again going too long, but yeah, I think I've shared my screen now. So as you can see, this is a page on WebMed where they talk about, in general, 4 to 5 years old developmental milestones. So language wise, where my child should be, cognitively, what are the milestones my child should have achieved when he reaches the age 5 years, all these things. Okay? So this is what I will be taking the base as. So let me just see 1 or 2 things here. Okay. So speak clearly using more complex sentences. Now language and communication is one thing where we all are struggling. Count 10 or more objects. Now, I'm not talking about any particular child. Let's say there's any child named, let's say child A. He is 8 years old, but still counting is a struggle. Counting 10 or more objects is a struggle. If you find 3 or 4 things from this age group which you feel that your child is facing a struggle on, or you feel that there is a gap, you can definitely come down for a one-to-one session and we will see if the child is if the group is a right fit for the child. So इस तरह से आप देख सकते हो एज वाइज किस ग्रेड में आप अपने बच्चे को डालते हैं. अगर अभी स्कूल फिजिकल फॉर्म में खुले होते तो online it's still easier. Like I would have probably repeated grade 1 for Vian if the physical schools were opening. But since it is online, I'm going ahead with grade 2 because जब खुद ही पढ़ाना है और सभी करना है तो कम से कम स्कूल में स्कोप grade 2 रिपीट करने का रहे if at all the need be. So don't go by age, go by the developmental age of your child and see which age band your child fits in. Also, many of you are asking me if I can start a batch on language development. Now tell me, can language development happen individually? I will have to have some theme, some structure, something. So this is for language development. These classes are for an overall development where we will be working. And if the child is connected with me on a regular basis, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, हमने structure कर दिया, मुझे पता है एक महीना ये बच्चा मेरे साथ है, I have to work with him every alternate day. I have to give some task to the parent. I also, have that responsibility and that motivation कि मुझे इन चीजों पे I have to see a progress in a month's time. It could be language for one child, it could be social skills for another child, it could be reading for the third child, and it could be probably responding to the instructions. How do you respond to the instructions? How do you imitate? I may take a yoga session on that. So yoga and mindfulness comes in the picture. But I am actually working on instruction following, complex instructions, body parts. So, I can't really tell you what exactly would be the content of these classes, but the skill development is definitely based on where the child is facing the lag. Okay, so based on all this information, you can take your call, and if you feel that you want to register for this month, then please drop in me an email. If you want, I'll put in my email ID once again in the description box of this video, and we can schedule a one-to-one call. Earlier, I had said drop me an email latest by tonight, 8 p.m., but let me extend it for another day. So today is 26th. 27th रात तक आप मुझे final message कर दो so that 28th we form the final group. Because 3rd May I'm planning to start with this batch. So I need 4 to 5 days in between also to formulate everything and see how and what I'm going to cover in this one full month. Because one full month won't cover the entire curriculum for that kindergarten to grade 1 level. Acha, one more thing. Sorry, I totally skipped on this one. I had written one more thing in the message that after this 1 month or during this 1 month classes also, you are enrolling. We are taking something which is based on the UKG syllabus. If the child is ready to go ahead with the grade 1 concepts, I will take that child to grade 1 level. If the child is finding this information also very overwhelming, I will take a little step back in certain areas and bring the child to the junior KG level. So this is what I meant by that message. And what else I was saying? Yeah, I think that's all. So if there are any questions, you can either post a comment, but I really don't know when if I will be able to find some time to see the comments here. You drop in me an email. That's the best thing, because emails I check regularly, almost every hour. So you drop me an email and I'll get back to you. Okay, so please drop in me an email if you are interested, latest by tomorrow 8 p.m. Yeah, see ya, bye bye.